Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into the gossip of entertainment. Now, Maphephandaba reported fake news. At Mihlali N is not dating a married man, says Leroy Map, right? The news is a married man was posted, and then that it was asked what's going on. And then Leroy responded, fake news. As far as I know, that guy is supposedly with his family there. Give me an hour. That was Leroy wanting to confirm that Mihlali is not being clothed by another man. With that said, I'm asking myself, Uguti, will Mihlali jump from one married man to another? Okay, let us read the caption that Maphephandaba has written. It says, headline, Mimi is mine, says Leroy. Oh, Leroy, unal confidence when I say all right. Maphephandaba has been getting a story that Mihlali Ndamase herself, a married tycoon from Zimbabwe. This is after she posted a very expensive automobile that she allegedly got from him. However, Leroy says as far as he's concerned, Mimi is hers and that the story is fake news. Fake news as far as I know. That guy is supposedly with his family there, says Leroy, who stepped into the news room. Guys, what is happening with Mihlali? What is happening between Leroy and Mihlali? Like, you know what happens in the dark will always come on lights. While it comes on light when I like, share, subscribe.